In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to Shopify. So if you want to give your customers the ability to pay with Klarna on your Shopify store, here's how you can do it. Go and open up Shopify and go to Settings in the bottom left. And from there, you want to go to Payments. And from within the payment section, you want to go and head over to additional payment methods and click add payment method and then search by provider and search for Klarna. Now there will be a bunch of them, for example Molly Klarna, Airwallex Klarna, they will all work, but I'm just going to select the normal Klarna. Now you can see they don't have a transaction fee, which is great, so just gonna click Klarna, and from there click install. And then here go and confirm by clicking on install. That will redirect you to Klarna's merchant portal. So from here just go and sign in or create your account, and then from there confirm you want to connect it to Shopify, and then you can test it on your Shopify store by going to the checkout, and then Klarna should be there as an available payment method. So now you know how to add Klarna to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.